To search for jobs and internships on Handshake, click the Jobs option at the top of the screen. You will have the option to filter jobs in several different categories. You can type in keywords to sort jobs based on specific terms, especially if you are looking for a position with a particular company. You can also sort jobs by location. If you are limited by location, use this function to narrow down your options. You can put in multiple locations at once. Options like Job Function can help you sort jobs and internships by what you want to do. For example, if you want a position geared towards writing, you can select the Writing/Editing option. As soon as you make a selection, the list of matching jobs or internships will update. Above your search, you will see the option to create a search alert. This enables you to save the search and receive alerts when positions that fit your criteria become available. If you are planning on returning to potential positions at a later time, you can favorite them so you will be able to find them more easily in the future.